Good day, everyone, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. You are tuned into the Market Beast edition. It is your fellow compadre speaking. Let's talk about the Sndl daily price prediction. We're going to make this a short video. If you guys are just joining us, welcome in. It's simple what we do. We find support, resistance, and patterns to determine the market's direction. If that piques your interest, join us here, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified where we see the markets going. Engage us in the comment section, leave an appropriate thumb. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. Guys, we appreciate every single one of you and your support here. Let's not waste time, guys. Let's dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today is December the 23rd, 2020, and the previous close of Sndl is going to be 50 cents, okay? It's up about 4.1% for the day, okay? So it's interesting what's going on in the markets here, guys. It looks like the buyers are stepping in and they are trying to do the best that they can to fulfill their obligation to close the price above this 56-cent level. The more that they consolidate down here and stop the downward pressure just below this 56-cent level, the more of an opportunity that they should have to have a fighting chance to get back above this 56-cent level. So what we're going to do is just identify what's going on, what has taken place ever since the most recent top. I'm not going to say this is the official top, but right here at about 85 cents. Okay, it's obvious to me that the sellers have stepped in. The real question is, will they have enough selling interest to stop the momentum to the upside and continue the overall downtrend? That's the real question. So let's start here at about 85 cents. The price went down. It was a bullish counter move to the upside, making a lower high. Okay, came down, made a lower low, went up to this 56-cent level, went down. So you can see it. The sellers are just trying to continue the momentum to the downside as the buyers are continuing to fight to keep their position here in the market. So right now, currently, the price is back above that 46-cent level that we were talking about over here within this range over here. So we were expecting to see a bounce up to the 56-cent level before the market broke below that level. I'll be honest, guys, I did not see this coming. And then, of course, it made a counter move right up to the 56-cent level that we were anticipating to happen while it was above 46. But, of course, it was kind of like a fake out. And, of course, it made a bullish counter move. So I definitely got that one wrong, guys. I'm okay with that, okay? So what I'm looking to see now is, basically, since it's back above this 45-cent level, if the buyers can maintain support at that level, then I think it's fine. They would have a fighting chance to get it back above 56 cents. And as long as they get above that level and hold it as support, then their obligation will be to make a new high in the chart. Okay, so that basically will look something like this. Get above 56 cents, potentially back test it as support, and their obligation is to get the price all the way up to and through the 91-cent level. Okay, hopefully you guys don't get too annoyed when I continue to go over this every single video, but let's start here at about October the 30th, where the uptick started. It's not a technical uptrend just yet. Here at about October the 30th at about 14 cents, we're dealing with, it looks like, it depends. If the price is finding a potential floor here, then we're up against three lows in the price. So here we go. It's up, higher low, up, higher high, and this would be considered a higher low if the buyers are able to, to stop the downwards pressure in the market, okay? And then again, get back above that 56-cent level, and then it'll be technically considered in an uptrend if it breaks above 91 cents, and if it makes a higher low, then it is technically started an uptrend finally. But Sndl is still perfectly confined in a speculatively sideways consolidation. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be looking for, guys. So the new range is pretty much right here, guys. 45 cents up to 56 cents. Will probably be in this range for at least another 48 hours. And I am going to say that, let's pull up this moving average here. So these are the daily candles. Let's crank it down to the up to the 3-day. Maybe we can see something else a little bit different here. See? Okay, so that's a selling interest candle. We got about 16 hours to close on this candle. So actually, this is actually a pretty good setup, guys. Excuse me. I don't see why the buyers won't have an opportunity to retest the 56-cent level. The real question is, will they be able to break through it and continue the trend higher? That's all that I'm seeing here in terms of what I can see on the 3-day here. And let's see here. Let's crank it up to the weekly. I think the weekly is also going to be closing in 16 hours. Okay, so yeah. All right, so that looks good as well. Let's look at the volume. Let's see. Okay. Oh, that doesn't look bad, guys. Actually, it doesn't look that bad. I'll say this. That's the same level, guys. 45 cents. If it can stay above that level, then it should be fine to re-challenge the 56-cent level and could potentially move the price to the upside. I was seeing something on the monthly that did look a little bit interesting, although towards the beginning of the month, it was looking a little bit, uncertain. But in terms of the way that I look at the candlesticks, guys, it does look like the buyers are attempting to make a pretty aggressive shift here in the markets. Let's just be patient. That's my prediction, guys. 45 cents up to 56 cents. We'll just revisit the charts tomorrow to see what could potentially play out next in the charts here. But I'm going to tell you this right now, guys. If the weekly can close, let's just say above, if it closes at like 46 cents, that's fine. I will likely be anticipating a move to the upside, potentially. So that's what I'm going to be waiting to see. The 3-day and the weekly closes in less than 24 hours, and I should have a better understanding of the market's direction beyond that time. So we'll give you guys a revisit here. And that was just a short video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there. Again, the range is 46, if you guys write this down, 46 cents up to 56 cents. That should be the range here over the next less than 24 hours. So take care of yourselves, guys. Again, leave an appropriate thumb. Leave a comment down below. Let me know where you think the price is going to go within the next 24 hours. Leave those comments down below. And it's Napoleon Macro, guys. I'm going to go ahead and sign off. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate your time. Take care of yourselves, and bye for now.